Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add your phone number inside a Roblox. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video, shall we? Alright guys, open up any web browser on your mobile device or on your PC or laptop. For this I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Head on over to roblox.com. So from here you want to log into Roblox, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, now I'm going to hit login. Alright, I'm going to continue in browser for this demonstration. I'm going to save my user details. And now from here, you want to click onto the settings, little gear icon, top right hand corner of the page. And then click into settings. And now, under my settings, you've got account info. So I have your display name, username, and phone number. So what you need to do is go ahead and click on add phone number here. And now enter the PIN attached to your account. And then once you've done that, click on unlock. And then go ahead and add your phone number in. And then click on save. And then that's how to add your phone number inside Roblox, guys. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.